Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles, and today we're getting a 2-for-1 on installs. We're showing you how to install Cobra's wraparound rack, or more affectionately known as the Big Ass Rack, and Cobra's detachable Sissy bar, and that's because basically both installations are exactly the same. The Big Ass Rack, or the wraparound rack, is named that because it wraps around the seat. In the area of luggage racks, this is really kind of a one of a kind. Now, if you're carrying a passenger, this isn't gonna work for you as far as luggage. That's where the Sissy bar would come in. But if you're going on a trip, and you wanna add capacity to your bike, be it a Sportster, a Dyna, or a Softail, this is a great way to go. This is a 13 by 17 area once it gets clipped on the bike. And the best part about it is, when you're not riding around, you're not taking your trip, you can take this thing off. Bike looks way cooler without it for sure, but as far as functionality, this is awesome. Now, if you have a passenger, the Sissy bar is a great way to go. Clips on when you have the passenger on, give them a little bit more comfortability on the bike, a little more safety. Don't feel it's gonna slide off the back of the bike. With that Sissy bar, you can also add luggage to that. Again, you wouldn't have a passenger on it. You can strap a bag to the front of that. So it's kind of pulling double duty there with the Sissy bar. Both of these are really slick, easy installs that will add a ton of functionality to your motorcycle. The mounting hardware is a little bit different. There is a front and a back. The thicker, kind of narrower spacer goes to the front, and the thinner, like a little bit wider one, goes to the back. The back one also has the spacers separate. So we're not gonna need many tools for this installation. We'll need a T40 Torx and a 7/32 Allen. If you have a torque wrench, that'll be a bonus. The T40 is what we're gonna use to take out the fender support screws here. There's actually nothing to hold on to on the inside. You can do this all from the outside, but just do them one at a time. I recommend a little bit of Loctite, always your friend. Now I'm gonna torque these anywhere from 21 to 27 foot-pounds. I'm gonna go over the other side, do the exact same thing. Putting the actual rack and the Sissy bar on and off is the exact same process, and it's really slick. The first couple times you do it, it might be a little bit stiff, but that's good. I like to take kind of a little angle right here, press down and forward, snaps right on, and it's locked in. Now to get it off there, 2 little buttons in the back. If you pull back on these, it releases it, tip up, right back off again. Really simple installation to add a ton of functionality to your motorcycle. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment. Go ride those motorcycles.